Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Han and I'm going to be taking you through yet another amazing tutorial. Now in this tutorial series we have started our web development series that I had promised you earlier on, and we are going to start with them right away. So basically in these tutorials in our web development series, I'm going to be showing you the different ways of creating websites for absolutely free without basically buying any single course or anything. Don't worry about anything. You don't need any basic knowledge. Basically in this course I will be taking you through all the pros and cons of developing a website. I will be bringing you different courses for absolutely free right here on my YouTube channel. So basically, if you're kind of new to my YouTube channel, basically I create content about web development, basically developing different websites, e-commerce websites, business websites, basically software, basically distribution websites and all that. So basically, if that sounds great and interesting to you, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the bell icon to do not miss any updates, and of course don't forget to give this video a thumbs up in case you find it interesting to you. So basically, what is WordPress basically in a minute. So I'm going to be explaining to you basically in this tutorial. We are going to start with WordPress. So WordPress, basically, let's get into my browser and I'm going to be showing you the definition of WordPress right here in a second. So basically WordPress basically is a free and open source content management system written in PHP and paired with a MySQL or MariaDB basically database. So basically, let me define a couple of statements right here. So basically, open source, if you're kind of new to open source thing, basically it is a kind of software management system where everyone distributes to the well-being of a software. So basically WordPress is an open source content management system. So basically content management system, basically, for example, we can talk of Blogger as a content management system from Google, and WordPress is basically open source. All right, so written in PHP. So basically it's written in PHP with a MySQL basically database or MariaDB basically database. So basically these are all relational database management systems, and basically MySQL uses MySQL. Basically it's a language used to talk to basically to query MySQL database or MariaDB. Features include a plugin architecture and a template system referred to within WordPress as themes. So basically, a WordPress website is made up of plugins and a template system that is called a WordPress theme. Basically, so that is WordPress in a minute. So basically I'm going to be bringing to you a lot more of tutorials like this basically in the future. So if that sounds great in basically and interesting to you, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the bell icon to do not miss any updates, and basically thanks a lot for watching. That is all I had for you in this video. See you in my next video. Stay safe.